Yes, hi everyone. Welcome to our today's session. So we're still doing data visualization. This is lesson number 2. So if you didn't watch lesson number 1, you can go back to lesson number 1 or you can continue from here, right? So we are going to see how to represent data graphically. So I will be sharing my screen and we are going to start. Okay. So what you're gonna do, just go first to the internet. You just type, okay, let me go first to Google. And from here, I can type Google Colab. This is the online tool that we are going to be using in order to practice. You can just go to collab.research.google.com. And when you're there, so what you need to do, you can just say new notebook. You click there. And you can wait from here. And while you are waiting, you can come there on top. You can change the name. You can say data visualization maybe 2, right? So this is just the name that you are given to your program, right? So what you're gonna do, you can also close there. So from here, what I will be doing, we need to import the library. So let's see. So we are going to import the library, Matplotlib. This is Python library that we need to import. So importing means bringing the library to our program, right? So bringing written functions to our program, especially for graphs, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna say here, import matplotlib, and you're gonna say dot like pyplot. This pyplot is just a graph module, right? So it's coming with a graph, and we can call it PLT. So we are importing the library, but under this library, we only use this module. This module will be dealing with graphs only. And from here, I can say like product, I can say like product that we do have, we have pen, what else? We have like pencil, right? And maybe we have book. And number 2, we can say price, maybe 10, 23, 7. So those are just the price of those 3 products. So from here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to draft or to draw a graph that we're gonna call a line graph, right? So we are drawing a line graph. So what now I'm gonna say from here? I can say PLC dot, right? So PLC dot. So when I'm looking at maybe it's a graph or a scatter plot or whatever, but for now I want only a line, right? So what I need now to do here, so as you can see on my document here, with my document. So this is the tool list that we created, and we are going to. So we go back here. So plot, I can say product, comma, and here it's price. So this is the, I'm using the function plot for plotting the graph. And for me, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to display the graph, right? So from here it's plotting, and from here it's showing, right? And we can run it. So we are waiting and see what's gonna happen. So yeah, you see how it looks like, right? So those are the x-axis and the y-axis, right? Now, from here, what can I do else? So I can change here, right? So instead of saying plot, I can say maybe bar, right? And see, it will draw a bar graph for me here. But I can also change. I can say here, scatter, right? And see again what's gonna show, right? You see, it says the scatter. So this is how to make your computer program, and that computer program will allow you to draw some graphs and chart, right? So now we can move to another type of exercises, right? So what we can just like insert a new cell, and from here maybe I can delete this one. I can also delete this one. I can insert another one here, and here I can say import matplot matplotlib dot like pyplot plc, can say like x 1 2 3, and they can take y 20 23 or 24. And here what can I say? I can say plc dot org, right? And I can run it, right? And you can see like our graph the way it looks like, right? Maybe if I want like something add, I can also do. Oh, it's showing like error. Why it's showing error here? Because I put 2 in. Yeah. So I'm combining, right? But I can delete this one. Let's see how it one looks like. Yeah. So you see how it's showing, right? So I can. Yeah. So this is just a few exercises just to show you what you need to do when it comes to plotting graphs, right? So guys, this is very easy when it comes to draw a graph. Now the most important part is here. What you need to understand is here. So plot, it's what? When you're using plot, this is for line plot, right? It's a line plot. And when we are using bar, right? This will allow you maybe to make a comparison between two values, right? What else? And we do have also subplot, scatter, that will allow you to find a relationship between data, right? But there is no problem. We're going to talk about those things. For now, we're just learning how to draw. Thank you very much. Yeah, it's just to show you what you can do and how to navigate, right? Thank you very much, and see you next time. So if it's your first time, my name is Kisangoi. I am a lecturer in different universities, and I'm also a Cisco, Microsoft, IBM, and that, or IBM instructor. So I'm speaking sometimes French, sometimes like English. Yeah, thank you very much. See you next time. We need to practice, practice, practice.